Hello guys, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions that you need to follow to do editing work for Nextfellow. First and foremost, you need a laptop or a computer to work on this with an internet connection. And second thing, I would suggest or to actually work on a Google Chrome web browser. The reason why I'm asking you to do this is you can have a wonderful tool called Grammarly extension over here. This helps you to do the editing job easily. For some grammatical mistakes or spelling errors that happen, it can automatically suggest you to do those corrections, and you can just click on that. It will automatically be corrected. I will show you once we log into the website, but for now just download this Grammarly. Go to the grammarly.com website, and there will be instructions to download that extension. And once you do that, the Grammarly extension will appear here. So the next thing is go to the guruji.nextfellow.com. The login page will appear here. So once you enter your login credentials with your username and password, click on sign in. This page is going to show up. In this page, you will see the dashboard, questions, weekend exam, performance, and setting. Click on questions, edit questions, the subject that you are assigned for. Let's say social and preventive medicine or anatomy, general medicine, whatever the subject you are assigned, will only that subject is going to show up. And in that particular subject, there are sections and chapters for each section. So go step by step. Let's click on concept of health and disease section. In that, let's go with health. Once you click on that, all those questions that pertains to that particular chapter appear here. Again, go step by step. Click on the first question. Click on the edit. So you will get to this page where you can see subject, section, and chapter of that particular question. And the thing is, like, first and foremost, you need to actually check if that question belongs to that section or a chapter. If not, please change the section or the chapter that it belongs to, right? And follow those instructions that you will be given to. You will be given an instruction or a guidelines documentation that will be given to you, which you need to follow before editing anything here. So see if that question actually meets those standards. And once you click on the question box, you see what's happening here. It's the Grammarly is automatically acting to see if there is any correction that needs to be done. See, it's saying non-communicable is either should be one word or a hyphen in between. Click on that, it automatically corrects it. And let's say there should be a question mark. See, it's suggesting something else here. It should be the non-communicable disease. I mean, these are pretty minor changes, but it looks good to actually have everything according to the grammar and everything. That makes the question looks beautiful. The second thing after that, like, you need to check if all the options meets the standards. If there is anything like, for example, none of the above or all of the above, those sort of options should be deleted, and the options have to be as close as possible. And see if that answer also is correct. If the answer is not correct, please make a note of it and make sure the a mentor of yours is notified, and he will make sure if that answer is not correct, and then you can make the changes later on. You can also upload the images by choosing the file. So you can choose a file here and save those images. You can keep a folder to make to have all those images in one folder, and you can click on those. That particular image will appear here. Go to the description, check if all the description meets the standards. So looks like it's suggesting few things. Pre-module, so it looks like there's a spelling mistake here, the emergence. So I think there's a space. Okay, I made those corrections, but these are pretty simple ones. That's not our goal. The goal here is to see if the description makes sense for that particular question or the answer. And also, please follow the instructions step by step for each part, questions, options, and description, how to do each and every part. So once you do a few questions, you will automatically understand what are the standards that we are talking about. Once everything is done, click on save and next. Says subject details updated, question is updated, and that's it. So once you have this thing done, make sure your mentor is forwarded with all the questions that you have worked on, and the final check is going to be proofreading is going to be done by your mentor. If there are any suggestions, he will get back to you again, may ask you to make those suggestions back. But this is overall instructions that you need to follow to do any editing job. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask your mentor, or even Dr. Bhagirat or Dr. Narendra, or even me, Bharat. My Bharat Tate, I'm the project manager for this. So that's about it. So good luck with all your